High-paying side hustles in Germany. In recent times, the practice of having side hustles has become prevalent. Most people are now looking beyond the income of the 9-to-5 job. A side hustle doesn't have to be in a field you do not enjoy. For example, if you enjoy writing, you could opt to be a freelance writer for organizations who are seeking content creators. Also, if you enjoy sales, you could sell on apps such as Etsy and make money from things you really have no use for. Before we proceed, it is important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. Whether you are lazy or not, there are side hustle options for everyone. Below is a list of some popular side hustles that many people engage in. 1. Run Facebook or Instagram ads for small business. Facebook or Instagram remains good platforms for small businesses to utilize. By running ads for businesses on Facebook or Instagram, you are actually just doing digital marketing. Thus, you are helping these businesses to find clients, create awareness for their brands, and maintain clients' relationship. You could make up to $1,000 in a month. 2. Become a virtual assistant. To be a virtual assistant, you need great management skills. If you do well with organization and scheduling, you might want to try out this. A virtual assistant helps manage social media accounts, replies messages, schedules meetings, handles billings, and just generally ensures that things are moving on well. The good news about this position is that it is very much in demand. 3. Start blogging. Looking for a side hustle in Germany? You could start a blog. A blog can bring a 7-figure income. As a matter of fact, it is one of the side hustles that could easily fetch you a ton of cash. As a blogger, you are in control of when, how, and what you work on. Your content could be tailored to be on something you enjoy doing. 4. Walk pets. If you live in a neighborhood where there are a lot of pets, you could tell your neighbors about your new side hustle. Most people rely on pet sitters to take care of their pets when they go out. You have to love pets to be able to carry out this particular side hustle successfully. The fees vary from place to place. If you live in an urban area, you will get more. 5. Start freelancing. Now more than ever, many companies are outsourcing jobs to freelancer. Apart from Fiverr and Upwork, there are more platforms that you can offer freelance jobs. You can earn from $5 and above on either of these websites. So, if you can offer any service remotely, this is your chance to make money fast. 6. Social media management. This wasn't a thing years ago, but in recent times, social media management is even a day job for most people. Brands and private individuals are looking to establish presence online. This side hustle might require much of your time, especially if you wish to manage more than one account. A social media manager sets up accounts, makes posts, replies comments, and create content for the account. 7. Start proofreading and editing. Proofreading is an extremely flexible job. If you are concerned about flawless sentences and spelling, this side hustle is suitable for you. You could work with bloggers, content developers, website owners to improve their content. The good news is this is something you can learn and become better at with time. I hope you enjoyed this video on high-paying side hustles in Germany. Which would you be considering? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.